Hey guys, I'm here at Costco today and they have a lot of spring items in. Doesn't seem like everything's here, but I'm going to go over some popular items with you so you can get an idea of what this season is offering. Well, you guys, this isn't really outdoor garden stuff, but I just came across this. Last week, these were $19, and I was just talking to another wonderful customer who was saying how much she loves these. And a lot of people were talking about them on the Costco Facebook page that we have for our local Costco here in New Jersey, and they were saying how much they love these, and a lot of people paid $20 for them. So they take a battery, they work on a remote control. If you don't have them already and they have them available at your store, maybe they're $9.99 where you're located too. You can get it with either a gold fairy light ribbon or a silver fairy light ribbon. So I'm pretty excited to see how this works. Now, supposedly you can somehow light it from the top, but I don't really understand because it looks like it has the look of a burned wick, which is kind of cool, but I'm going to have to inspect it further, and you know I'm going to buy it. In the same aisle, I came across these candles for sand and fog, 25 bucks, but it is an extra large chubby square. Now, I don't want to go taking a box apart. There's only 2 fragrances open. This blush rose smells incredible. It has 4 wicks, and this fragrance here smells just like some sort of a campfire burning, but a very beachy kind of experience. I can't really explain it. These 2 fragrances are absolutely beautiful with 4 wicks. I don't know, it could be something that's worth trying. I personally love rose fragrance, and I love the smell of a fireplace burning. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so there's this highly annoying thing making some kind of music behind me. I gotta get away from it. But here we are, you guys. We are in the land of garden supplies at Costco for spring 2025. Let's get a closer look. All right, so this year's wind chime is $37 versus the, I think, $70 price tag on last year's. But this is a double chime. This little smaller guy in the middle offers a different sound than these guys here. I don't care how much it costs. I love the experience of the wind chime, so I went ahead and I grabbed a box. Last year's wind chime was substantially bigger and heavier. It's holding up really well, and I really love it. So we have some other hose pots going on here, 54 bucks. This is a new product, the Gorilla hose reel for $90. This might be something to look at. We're always looking at a way to harness up the hoses. This is a common hose that they keep in stock. We have several of these guys here for $50, and I have a mixed review on them. They're great while they're new, but they do deteriorate rather rapidly. All of our chemicals are in, which we are really avoiding this year. We have a lot of changes in our backyard garden. Something that's new that I saw this year for $16, Plant Frost protection for plants. It's a 6-foot by 50-foot roll of frost protection for your garden. So it covers against frost, snow, sleet, wind. It's like a little blanket that goes over everything. You might want to check this out if you're in a zone where you get a frost. You know, on the other side is all of the seed mixes that are in. Something I bought last year and never used it was the Wet and Forget. This product does go on sale. It should go down by $3 to $6 very, very soon. So that's something to consider. I've heard this does wonderful things, so I'm looking forward to trying it. I don't remember ever seeing this all-purpose fertilizer here before. It's usually all like Miracle-Gro level stuff. I don't really know much about this. It's organic. I might want to have a look at it. It's $23. Now again, down here on the end cap, you can see the newly designed Yardistry greenhouse for 2025, which I have done a review on, and I can link that for you below. But if you're coming in and out of Costco, and it's something you've been watching over the last few seasons but haven't taken the plunge yet, you might want to watch my videos as well as a whole entire playlist that I can attach for you. Here we have a cascading cup fountain, which is $200. Now this year's next generation of planters are in. We have a ceramic planter for $46.99. Really nice. They're very, very substantial. And then we have the lightweight concrete planters. Not really sure that I like this particular design. There is another design around here on the side that is more of like a brushed concrete look. I like last year's planters better. I think these are $16.99 Blair resin. I don't know. I'm gonna look for a different, no, here's a different tag. So it comes in like an off-white and like a mocha color. But $49.99 for the lightweight concrete planter. And I'm not really sure. They're not really saying which is which here. We have to investigate this. Okay, so according to the item number, this guy here is $16.99 and $49.99 for the other shape. They also have for $25 a set of 2 caddies on wheels to move your planters around, because these things do get heavy once you fill them up with soil. So that's something to consider. We have some plant varieties in stock, as well as the roses are here this year. Orchids. Really pretty, but something that I really just don't get into. Let's see what we have here. $15.99 for some mixed pots with different flowers in them. House plants are $35. Beautiful variegated monstera. Ooh, I don't have any. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. $35 for a 10-inch rare tropical. There's a few other varieties here. I just don't have any luck with these sorts of things. Here's a blue heron that I might consider someday putting into the garden, which I just like it for some reason if it goes on sale. There was a ticket for it. I'm not sure. Okay, $35 for that. Fiskars are the same models as last year. Wow, some bonsai. Really cool. And then over here, some of the roses are starting to trickle in for $17 for two plants. And be careful with these, because last year we bought a few and we realized when we got them home that one was good and one was bad. So it looked dead. So we brought them back. I'm certain that they're going to get more varieties in. Some forced tulips, absolutely gorgeous. I'm waiting for my tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and everything that we planted in the fall to come up any day now. They're starting to stick their little crowns out. There it is again, the Yardistry greenhouse, guys. See that big pitched roof? If you're still getting through this video, don't forget to go back and look at my review on this new model. Here's a stackable planter on sale, down to $24 from $30. It's a 5-tier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So very small. Great for strawberries or herbs. You know, it's kind of like on the theory of a green stalk, but this is great for a small space, and I would absolutely use something like this for herbs or strawberries in my experience, having grown all of those things. Imagine just little clusters of your oregano and parsley. You could do some basil in here, or a mix of basil and strawberries together. Really, really good idea for that. Now, some product here that I want to talk to you. This usually goes on sale. This is the Tommy Bahama solar lights. These are wonderful. Right now, they're $39 for 6. They always go on sale. This is a wonderful product. It is staying lit on our property until like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Even on sunnier days, we're seeing it lit until almost dawn, because at times I do get up and wander around and look out the window in the middle of the night. So I do find myself looking at these things. But these different solar lights are a great option with the cost of energy going up. Here in New Jersey, our our electric will be going up by 17% this year. So if you can find some really good rated solar lights, these are the way to go. And because I have experience with these guys, I highly recommend them. And if you get them and they go on sale and within 30 days of your purchase, you can always go back to customer service and get the better price. I have not seen this product yet. I'm not familiar with this one, Infinity XI. So I will be checking that out. I see a lot of people hanging these guys. They're so cute, and they add such nice ambiance around things like a gazebo, the greenhouse, or a pergola. So we have a box from a few seasons ago that we never used, but I think we're going to be putting them up this year. And these guys, I am not seeing a price tag for them. I'm not sure why. So not sure what the price is on this product here. So the Cedar Craft self-watering cedar planter, $150 still, you guys. This is the average price that it goes for every year. Sometimes it goes on sale for a little bit less. I gave this product or a similar product a very bad review a few years ago because I just didn't like the giant gaps in here. Some people said that they absolutely loved it. Some people had the bottom rot out and the whole thing fell out on them and they lost everything that was planted in it. A lot of mixed reviews, love it and hate it. Looks cute, but I don't know if it actually works the way it's supposed to. So just be careful with that. We can attach a video review on the one that we bought and returned a few seasons ago. This year I'm looking for new chairs for the garden because the chairs that we have are absolutely destroying my back. So I'm considering these lounge chairs here at $160 because more often than not I want to lay down than sit up anywhere because of my back. But these have that nice sling mesh construction, and it has some cushions that come with it. Well, they don't come with it. I think the cushion is actually $90. Ugh. Well, that really ups the price on that quite a bit. I don't know. It's probably, okay to sit on without it. It looks like this is adjustable here. So that's something to consider for $160. But for another $90 for the cushion, I don't know. You could probably get something more comfortable and more reasonably priced. Now the Blackstone is on sale, 36-inch gas griddle for $349, 50 bucks off. This is a very popular item. What else do we have here? Camp Chef, $235.99. Not really familiar with that. Here's another tabletop 22-inch griddle, $169. I'm sure that, let's see, here's another one, $119. Great for carting around with you to different campsites or just having a portable option if you have a large yard and you want to have parties in different areas of your yard. You just never really know. People with campers like to have these things. Really nice. We don't really grill much. We eat mostly raw food. But these are just a few things that are available right now. Plenty more of my items are still coming in. We have some seasonal umbrellas in now. The 10-foot 2-tier solar LED cantilever umbrella is $629. Very, very big. You probably will need some help getting that home. You look at the size of this base. This is a square canopy with lights up in it. And then you have a few other options over here. You have an 11-foot market umbrella for $169. And there's the other guy for you. So a few umbrella options to check out. Now the Sun Villa umbrella base in granite stone is $50. I don't know where they moved this to, but I do need 2 of them. So I have to actually go on a hunt for those right now. Okay, here they are. These are really, very, very heavy duty. I think that these will hold down your umbrella. Unlike the old guys that we have from Sam's Club, we need a few new ones. They seem to be, pretty heavy stocked item right now, but it seems like once everybody realizes it's time to get the umbrellas, these bases just fly off. So for $50, I think we're going to just get it. It weighs 59.5 pounds and it fits up to the pole size up to 1.8 inches, natural granite, adjustable height, built-in nylon wheels. Oh, well, that's helpful. I think we're going to grab 2 of these, yeah. So we have an 8x8 outdoor sunshade. This is really great if you have like the Yardistry gazebo or you have a nice porch that you want to add some shade on. I'm learning that shade in these hot summers is so critical. 92% UV protection. I don't think that's a bad price at 68 bucks myself. Something to consider if you're looking for an opportunity to shade a structure or a porch. Really, really nice. Anyway, guys, we're kicking off the 2025 season. We've had lots of changes at our backyard garden, so stay tuned for some more videos, and hope you like this quick tour of Costco today. So see you in the next video, guys.